No, no. Can you hold it up?
Yeah, I'll get it all.
Just hold there, get the drone pilot to launch the drone up. They're going to put him in the water, face down, and the drone's going to be taking an aerial shot of him.
Copy that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you hold it up?
Just give it a sec. Just still.
Let it calibrate.
Yeah.
You right?
Yeah.
It's going to be the final shot where our patient is floating face down in the water to the ground, and we want that drone hosting him and then starting pulling away and it reveals the craft as well.
Yeah.
Drone above us. Way down. Chase, you're going to get in the water, you're going to play dead, try and...
Here he goes.
Alright, so Jace is just about to jump in, float face down. Get the drone above. Hopefully get some good shots. They've just finished underwater shots of him kayaking.
He's going to go in, and then we'll pull away, and then the drone will pick the aerial shot. Just go off whatever he does. If you guys are in shot, just pull down a little bit.
Yeah.
So once you see Joey's go in the water, guys, just pull away as fast as you can so we can get him out as fast as we can. The drone's going to come in over the top, get the shot, and then we'll come and grab him. Okay, then that drone is going to rise, just rise. It's going to show more water, and if anything's in the way, we're going to capture it in the shot, not that one, that's the shot. I want you charging away. I want you going on.
Yeah. Should be alright. Run out of battery.
I don't think Brad needs to be in the other boat. He can control this from a fair way away.
Yeah, no, he's alright.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
Is he in the water?
Yep,
Yeah, he's in the water.
below the boat.
Yeah. Yeah, hang on.
Good feet.
Right.
All you, bro. All you.
Yeah, well, he's still floating. He is roll over, I think.
Roll over.
Yeah, good.
Do they want some of this white water to disperse, or?
Is that going to roll over? Yeah. Not yet.
Okay, let's have a look what you're looking at.
Oh, right. Sorry, man. I'm looking straight at him, straight down.
Right, okay.
Hovering straight above him. I'll play it back to you straight
I
away.
need it straight above him, just him only,
Yeah,
and then slowly rising up.
yeah,
Okay, so getting close.
yeah.
Getting closer. Yeah, after this we are. Yeah, I just need the drone shot.
Am I getting him?
No,
Are you going to give me
this is the last part. And then, so he's on the deck and are getting resuscitated.
So RB needs to be ready to go then?
Yeah! Okay, you
Okay,
ready?
make sure everything's off the deck too and under cover, please.
Yep, he's down, alright. And get in. Slowly right, go rise, 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 rise. Keep going straight up, don't adjust. Straight up, straight up. Straight. Go down!
Wave your arms again.
I need him. Did he? How long was he under for?
Play dead!
Play dead! Like,
I'll just go.
Here we go, here we go, here he is.
There he is. Don't make him wait. Just go, do the rise. Do a fast rise. Do a fast rise.
Yeah, that's the client.
Okay.
Adjustment.
I can't see. I see a hole. Sure. He's going down.
That's right.
It's good turns.
Go get him. Go get him, Chris. Go get him before the sharks. You see where he is, Chris? What side?
Hang on, I'll bring my drone back.
Right on.
Basically got that shot.
Yeah.
Starboard. Starboard side there.
Bottle of water. We're gonna now. The last shot is you guys doing chest compressions on him. Okay.
Yeah.
But don't look like you're smiling. This is serious.
Yeah.
He's dying. He's potentially
Okay, so
dying. I'm going to get him to put
he's
some
all right
water and
to
blow
help.
out water in his mouth. To look like he's taking on water.
So he can
No smiling.
How you going, mate?
just cold, bro.
Cold.
Jump back in the door. So.
Okay. Can we get?
Turn around with that. Right. Okay.
Yep. No, it's going to be people. Can we film this? Right.
Hang on. I've got you. Grab one arm. Right up.
Up we go. Up, right? Yep.
Watch your back.
Okay, we're going to get this out. There we are. Yep, we're good, boys. It's a bucket.
You on? Good, Jed. Okay, lay on the deck. Don't go back in. Now lay on the deck. We're going to do
Now, get the
compressions.
camera ready. Okay, mate, I'm going to get you to put water in your mouth. Yep. There like this. Right, I want you to look. Sorry, man. I want you to like dribble out water so there's clearly water. You've taken on water.
Okay.
Okay.
You don't want to cough it up, you just want to dribble it.
Maybe cough it looks like. If you cough it up, it means you're conscious.
Conscious, yeah.
Okay, so maybe just have
Just
it dribbling
dribble it
out
out,
the side of your mouth.
Got ya.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm not going to do mouth to mouth with you, but.
I don't blame you.
I would.
Okay, so we're just going to get out of the way, no shadows. Okay, just take a mouthful of water for me.
Yeah, we're good.
Thanks, mate. Got that. So nice and low shot. Nice and low.
Just say when you're ready.
You're facing that way, so maybe we maybe just go like that for me. Nice and low.
All right?
Okay, not yet.
Or do you like
Don't smile.
They're cool.
We've got a blanket here for you.
It's all right, my hands will keep you
Or
warm.
maybe we can
Don't
that
laugh,
way.
just swallow the water.
Because what we can do,
Sorry,
we can
mate.
have like two
I've
angles.
got to get through.
Yeah, you're right.
When you're ready to get shot, then I'll take another mouthful.
Go down. Just and you go on an angle. You should have it. Got you. Okay, like that. Okay, yep. Oh, it's just the sun in my eyes, that's all. No, you're right.
Ask the boat around to the side?
As soon as you're ready, we need.
They want to know if you want to turn the boat around.
We got a reflector somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's right there, Chris.
Yep. Right, and then we're going to come from
You want the reflector?
As soon as you boys are happy, how did you find the shot?
We need two
Do you-
angles. That's okay, two angles.
Do you want this reflector to block his sunlight so he can?
No, I'm good.
No.
Just we'll go with it. Okay, we're going to go with the shot. Take a swig of water. Let's rock. Okay.
Yeah, it's good. It's right.
Okay, and
we are recording.
And action. Okay, beautiful. That's good. I've got a cut. Now we're going to cut from the other way. I don't have a bit long breath because the chills take down. That's okay. Just stay there. Yep, perfect. We're going to get another angle.
Same thing again?
Yep. So we're gonna
Same
come up
thing,
one.
and then I'm gonna start high, and then I'm gonna go to his face.
Okay, beautiful. Okay, yep, and water in. Yep, got that, beautiful. And rolling. And action. Cut. Beautiful. Done. Perfect. We got the shot.
Yeah,
Sorry,
cheers,
okay.
blanket.
That.
I'm
Let's
actually
look
really
after
good.
Jace now. Sorry, mate.
That's
you
all right.
come second, didn't you?
Sorry?
There
You
you
came
go.
second.
Second number eight today.
You came
Yeah,
second.
there is one problem. You wouldn't
Yeah.
do it like the CPR with on your knees like this, the way that he was doing.
You don't, I don't know. What do you
I think you do whatever you're doing. Any
You do whatever you got to do.
Yeah.
I'm qualified in CPR and all that. I'm first aid. I just want the shot.
I don't mind if it's
No, that's the close shot, which is really good. We have like both things